What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? Another beautiful day. It is Tuesday. Pretty much, guys. It is another day that we're shooting another video. Day 2 of the video challenge. If you guys are a part of it, and I encourage you to shoot video, especially if you're new in this business, you signed up for something. I wanted to kind of show you guys a way that you can do something that's free. And especially, just to kind of show you, that you can build a relationship with people. People eventually start joining. You'll get the hang of it, and this becomes just a natural thing for it. Okay. So guys, I definitely encourage you guys to shoot videos. But I wanted to talk about today on my video here today is that, why mindset is very important if you're going to be in the online business space. Because when you go to a 9 to 5, you're used to someone telling you literally what to do. You usually have a schedule. Where you're on the phone, or if you're away from the field, what you have to do. Some people love being away from the field because they still feel like they have like a sense of freedom. But you're still working for someone else. So you still, if they change up something, you got to go with the change up. And so let's just say, for instance, you work in a center where 100% of your time is needed on location, right? So you usually have a schedule where it tells you throughout the day, you're going to be on the phone from XYZ time. Then you're going to have a break. You may have a meeting, on your schedule, and then you may have to get back on the phone. And then from there, you may have to go to lunch and then get back on the phone and then break and then home or something like that. Just to kind of, because I've been there, guys. I'm not new to this game or nothing like this. I'm a normal person, I've done this as well. So you have someone that's literally telling you what to do, how to do it, when to do it, all the time. When you're in the online business space, you don't have that. You have to get up off your butt and eventually go send some emails, shoot some videos, do some Facebook posts, do some Facebook ads, those type of things. So a lot of us can get distracted, especially if we're at home with our family. Think about it, right? Your kids, they want you to watch a movie, and then you're like, man, I'm supposed to be shooting some videos real fast. I'm supposed to be sending out some emails, responding back to, connecting with people, doing my Craigslist ads, whatever it is, whatever your agenda is that you may have set up at that time. But someone has to go out. She's just creeping up on me. Just coming in on me, lady. Don't come in on me, okay? See, she's on the phone. People be on these phones. That'd be the problem, where they be just talking on the phones and don't know what they're doing here. See, I'm a professional with this here. See, she still like she wants to come over on me. So we just gonna stay back and let her figure out her life right now. But no one is actually having to tell you to go and do something. So it can go past you. You can say, well, I'm gonna put it off, and then you don't end up doing it. The next thing you know, you're going to bed and you didn't get sent any emails. You didn't do anything. So that's why I say you have to have a mindset. So what I do a lot of times, I read a lot of entrepreneurship books. I read a lot of money books. I read pretty much anything entrepreneurship, finance, money, stuff like that, that you definitely think is going to help you out. One book that I definitely recommend if you're going to be in this space, a couple books, is going to be Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The 4-Hour Work Week. I definitely love Grant Cardone's Sell or Be Sold. And the 10X, Grant Cardone's 10X. Those are some of my books that I do recommend, in the 50th Law. If you're new to the space, I definitely encourage you to check those out. I listen to a lot of affirmations. This is what keeps me in the mindset of wanting to go out here and conquer the world. So I just want to give you guys some stuff here of why mindset is important here. So books, affirmations, take the time throughout the day to definitely do mindset is very important. It's very important because this game can get very discouraging. You can say, I'm not making any sales, no one's joining me, and then you can easily quit. Especially if you're new and you're in the process of learning, you're trying to figure things out, you're trying to figure your niche out, you're trying to figure out exactly who you want to be when it comes to this marketing game. So it can get discouraging. But what are you doing to keep that faith? What are you doing to keep that mindset together? And then you can have a breakthrough. This is real. This is the part of the game people don't like. They don't like to hear. Tell me some mindset and I'm gonna think about it. I'm gonna be honest, man. Mindset works, but it also works with the work. You got to be able to go to work too. You got to be putting in work while you got that mindset. It's not gonna work. You just can't. Oh, this is gonna happen. It's gonna happen. And you're not doing anything to make it happen. It's not gonna happen. Okay. So get out there, get your mindset together. Pick up some of those books that I've actually encouraged you guys to do. Definitely take, go on YouTube. Look up affirmations. Look up money affirmations, health affirmations, different things. To get your mind together. Okay. Also, guys, if you're interested in making instant commissions from $25 all the way up to $2,000, it's going to be a link that's going to be in the description. Also, pretty much we have a residual income set aside as well that pretty much promotes the main system, the main product. So here's the thing. I'm going to leave that information in the description, guys, so that way you can definitely check it out if you're interested in making that money there. If you're interested in changing your life, if you're interested in being a part of what we exactly do, then check that out, guys. I'm going to leave that definitely down there for you to click and see what it's about. And like I tell you every day, if you have questions, I'm a regular person. Reach out to me. I have Facebook, I have Instagram, I have emails. I literally have everything. I've been shooting videos for a couple years, guys. So I've been around, so don't hesitate to reach out to me because my goal is to help you. All right, so much success to you all. Click the link below. This your boy Jay. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that notification button. Until video number 3, have a beautiful day. Peace.